MindBlown Chef here with the video that's gonna blow your mind. This is cooking made simple. Okay guys, in today's video we're gonna do hard-boiled eggs. Believe it or not, you can't overcook a hard-boiled egg. So first things first, you're gonna grab a bowl, place ice and water, have an ice bath ready to go. Set that aside. Grab your eggs directly from the refrigerator. If they're not ice cold from the refrigerator, the cooking time will be different. Place your eggs directly into the pot. We're gonna fill this all the way up so the eggs are completely submerged in water. Place on the fire on high. We're gonna bring this up to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we're gonna boil for 10 minutes. Okay, so now my water is at a rolling boil. We're gonna set our timer for exactly 10 minutes, guys. Key that it's exactly 10 minutes. All right, guys, timer's going off. We're gonna remove the eggs and put it directly into our ice bath. All right, so my eggs have been in my ice bath for about a minute. Now I'm gonna peel. As you can see, if the egg was overcooked, you would have this gray residue on the outside, which is sulfur. It gives that funny smell and that funny flavor as well. This is a perfectly cooked hard-boiled egg, nice canary yellow. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, thumbs up, subscribe, and leave some comments down below on dishes that you want to cook that we could cook together. Thanks for watching.